If you've been trying to unlock the Temu free gift, but it either takes too long or doesn't show up at all, there's a reason for that, because when it's done correctly, the system actually activates very fast. So in this video, I'll show you how to unlock the Temu free gift quickly and what most people are doing wrong. Before we go further, the latest working Temu free gift code is on screen right now. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case this one changes. Part 1. Why it can work in 60 seconds. Let's clear this first. Temu free gift is not instant completion, but it can activate in seconds. That means the event appears quickly. The system starts immediately. You skip the confusion most users face. So it's not click once, get item. It's enter correctly, system activates. Progress begins fast. Why most people don't see this? Here's where things go wrong. Most users open Temu normally, start browsing, then try to find the free gift. By then, they're already outside the system and nothing shows up. The real problem? Wrong entry. Temu tracks how you enter. If you enter the wrong way, you stay in shopping mode. No free gift system appears, and everything feels slow. Part 2. How to unlock it fast. Here's the method that actually works. Step 1. Enter through the promotion. Before opening Temu, use the link in the description. This connects you directly to the free gift campaign. Step 2. Activate immediately. Once the page opens, complete the activation step. Now your session is linked. Step 3. Open Temu. After that, open the app. You should instantly see free gift event, reward screen, item selection. This is where the 60 seconds comes from. Step 4. Enter the code. Now apply the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the active campaign. Step 5. Follow the flow. Now just follow the steps. Offers, tasks, interactions. This is how rewards unlock. What to expect. Let's keep it real. Activation can be very fast. System works when entered correctly. Rewards are possible, not instant full completion. Some steps take effort. Results can vary. Final takeaway. Unlocking the Temu free gift quickly isn't about luck. It's about entering the system the right way. Do that, and everything starts appearing almost instantly. Try this method and comment what happened. Did it unlock within seconds for you?